Okay, welcome back people of the world, another Mat5 chemistry. I decided to skip the chapter on titrations because I think it's not so popular a subject. I will go back to it, but I think I want to concentrate with exams coming up in May. I want to get onto these subjects which I think are more popular and probably there's more demand for. I apologise for my lack of school science videos. Recently I've been suffering severe sleeping problems, which is possibly a sort of after effect of problems with pneumonia. Anyway, I'm alkanes. So these are groups of molecules that share similar properties. To write them out, they okay. So the basic, I'll write them out first. So you So I've written out each of the alkanes. The names are, one carbon is methane, then two carbons is ethane, and three carbons is propane, methane, ethane, propane, butane, that's pentane. That's hexane, and then that's heptane. That's 7 carbons, and this is octane, 8 carbons. Okay, so methane is 1 carbon, ethane 2, propane 3, butane 4, pentane 5, hexane 6, heptane 7, octane 8. Okay, the general formula for alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. So if there's 1 carbon, N is 1, if carbon equals 1, so 1 times 2 is 2 plus 2 is 4. So you get 4 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 4. If carbon equals 2, so N equals 2, then 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6. And again around ethane you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the general formula for writing out the carbons and hydrogens. So methane would be CH4, and that's C2, as N is 2, H, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6, C2H6, the C2H6, okay? So that's these are the full structural formulas. You also need to know, this is gas, that's a gas, gas. Propane is used as a camping gas, if you've ever been camping. That's gas, and then these are liquids. And these are all liquids as well. Okay? When you get up to much longer chains, it becomes solids like candle wax. So yeah, these are again similar properties. These are all gases, these are all liquids. They also all combust, they all burn in oxygen. So for example, CH4 plus O2 becomes CO2 plus H2O, okay? They all combust and burn oxygen to make carbon dioxide and water. So that balance 1, 1, 4, it's not quite balanced actually, is it? You 2 hydrogens there and 2 in front of the H2O, so you get 4 hydrogens, 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 2 plus 2 is 4 oxygen, 2 plus 2 is 4 oxygen, so that's balanced now, okay? Okay, so yeah, they all combust. And heat, flame, okay, to make carbon dioxide and water, okay? You also need to practice, so I've written out structures, you also need to practice writing out their shortened, the shortened formula. So they all, yeah, they all share similar, the liquids and gases, they all burn in oxygen. They all have, the smaller ones, methane, ethane, propane, have low boiling points. They all, the liquid ones are obviously high boiling points. So yeah, they're similar properties like that. You also get isomers existing on them, but I'll come to that later. Okay. So that's the basics of, this is the basics. Okay, the reason why the boiling points increase as you go up and why these ones are solids, whereas the first 3 or 4 are liquid, is that when the molecules are bigger, the molecules themselves are attracted to each other, so that it's harder to separate them. So that's why the boiling points go up as the chains get longer. Okay. Yeah. So this one methane is used for cooking. That's used for cooking. Okay. Your home cooking. Butane is used for camping gas, okay, and barbecues. I can't spell. Okay, and octane is the component okay. So this is examples of use in cooking in your home. This is home cooking. Your gas cooker, camping and barbecues, and component of petrol.